Hello and welcome, and this is a special video as a thank you. I originally said I'd do this, it was like 10 subscribers, but now it's 19. I don't know, I just thought I'd get it done, as I said I would in episode 7 part 2. So a kind of special thing in itself is the actual footage this is going on. This is me building a new map. Well, not new, an edit of Springhill Valley. Currently I'm just adding, taking out a, old grass field. I just thought as it's next to my new arable yard, it should be like barley, so I add this in. You don't see me add the barley, but yeah. So what I said for the special video, as kind of a thank you, was that I would give you a question, and whoever answered it correctly would get their choice of video, and that would be made. So that can be done, and if no one either gets it right or just generally doesn't answer, I will just do a couple of videos of this map. It's still because I've basically finished all the Giants editor with it now. Well, I haven't, but I did a test on it. The ring feeders, which you may have seen if you have seen my FSUK pictures, and the latest picture that I've just literally posted was about this barn. Basically, in an area, this sort of area around here, I wanted to put a barn like this, or the other old one, in there, where it is now, but it was a bit long, and then I added another one, and it was also too dark from the other barns, because the other barns came from Nixon's by Chris 7710 77, sorry. Yeah, I just like the style. I do have problems with it at the moment. I've got to go back and resort it out. Yeah, that's the barn I was thinking of putting in there, but again the roof was a bit wrong, so I left that, I think. Yeah. At the end of this clip I will put a picture of how I ended up doing that area. So the arable yard is going, well, the old arable yard. I'll also put a picture of that. In, and yeah, that has been just totally changed. So I'll be back once I've put the pictures in, otherwise the timers for the voiceover will be wrong. So I ended up adding some rubbish, and ended up covering the old yard up, the old arable yard up, with just forest. Anyway, you now see me add change the cow zone. This was quite problematic for me, but it does give you a chance to see the ring feeders that I was on about. These I took the i3D file from 2000 Farm Simulator 2011's livestock feeding mod, and they appear to be a bit of a pain really, because I can't see the one in the shed, and the one in the field is on its side, and every time I drive past it, it follows me, which is just weird. So I'm not quite sure what I'll do with that. Some of you are probably wondering why I load that shed. That's just because I couldn't see, I couldn't see where I was putting the cow zone bit, so I needed to, because obviously, as you can see, I do make mistakes, as we all do, and yeah. Anyway, so yeah, I'll start to talk about now the actual thank you whole thing. Basically, I want to ask you a question, probably once this clip stopped, and that'll be to get the prize of choosing what video you want. And as I said earlier, if no one either notices or answers, I won't do anything that you guys are suggesting, because obviously you haven't suggested anything. But what I'll do instead is probably put a video of like a tour around this map properly on in-game once I've sorted it all out. So the question that you're all dying to hear, hopefully, is, in my first episode of Springkill Valley, I did some combining. That was the main video bit. That was sped up in time-wise because combines go slowly. But which model of combine and make did I use? You have to answer in the comments of this video, and the first person that I see to answer I will take their request. So you put the answer that you think. So say it's, I don't know, Clayson, New Holland Clayson, or I can't remember the model that I have, but whatever it is, you put that and you put what you want to see if you win. So yeah, that just goes in the comments, and yeah, just thanks for the 19 subscribers. Bye.